All right, guys. So we'll quickly run the parameterized report. You can watch the other video to see how it was made. This is the report. These are the parameters in the YAML header. What I'm trying to do here is read in the data and then make a plot by filtering only those villages that are in this particular district that is declared in the parameter. Then again, make the same plot, but by using the second parameter as filter again over the same data and seeing the same plot, basically the same plot for villages that do not have a primary school. So what you can do is you can click here and it will knit and the file will be created. You can see in the console it is knitted to an .html file, which is now opened in your browser. It will show KEDA, which is what we had written as our parameter. You can also see that this is 604 and this is 618. So that means there are 14 schools that 14 villages that do not have a school or we do not have data for it. So now this is running one thing at one time. What we could do is we could write a custom function, which is a wrapper on the Rmarkdown render function, which asks R to run this RMD file with this list of parameters and create an output file and save it with this name. So what I have done is that I have created this function. I'm then loading the data and then creating a vector of all the districts. Oh, I have received an error. That's because library readr is not loaded. This should be like this. And if I do this now, it will be working. Okay, it has worked. Then I'm making a vector with names of the districts and then a vector of the same length that has the value 1 and the vector of the same length that has value 2. 1 means a village that has a primary school and 2 means a village that does not have a primary school. So when I run both of these, you will see that around 52 reports will be generated because I think there are 26 districts and we have two possibilities for each district. So you can see in my console as of now the number of files that are being rendered, and these are all different files for which the same analysis is being run, and that is how we can run parameterized reports with per. And if you want to take a look at one of the files, you can open it, and it looks like this. Remember how KEDA was, but this time instead of 918, we have only 517 villages in Patan district. And you can see that all the villages have a primary school. Let us check another one of districts, let's say Porbandar, and you can see 182 villages and 157 have a school. So both the charts are there and the files are still running, as you can see in my console, because it has to run around 52 files or knit around 52 files. So this is how you can run parameterized reports. That's it.